Hey, I'm glad you're here. If you've ever wished you could get a handle on your anger, you're not alone. Over the next 12 episodes, I'm diving deep into anger prevention, breaking down what really triggers us and how to stay calm when things heat up. So if you want more peace and less regret, you're in the right place. Let's kick it off with episode 1, belief systems that fuel or prevent anger. Because honestly, a lot of our anger starts way before we ever yell or snap at someone. It starts in our heads, with what we believe. Think about it. Have you ever caught yourself thinking, I must get my way, or people should always treat me fairly? These beliefs might sound harmless, but they can set us up for a meltdown the second things go sideways. Suddenly, you're not just annoyed, you're furious, because reality isn't matching what you should happen. So, how do I change this? I start by spotting those anger-producing beliefs. For example, instead of I must get my way, I try, I'd things to go my way, but I can cope if they don't. Or, I wish people acted fairly, but I can handle it when they don't. It's not about lowering my standards, it's about building mental flexibility. Shifting these mental habits doesn't make me a doormat. It actually gives me more control over how I react. When my beliefs are more balanced, I find it way easier to pause, breathe, and respond, rather than explode. Over this series, I'll share practical tools and real-world strategies to help you understand, prevent, and deal with anger. I want you to walk away feeling empowered, like you have a choice in how you show up, even when life gets tough. So, if you're ready to take back your peace, stick around for the next episode. And hey, don't forget to hit subscribe for more practical self-help tips. See you in episode 2.
You want to reach out, just visit us at absbehavioralhealth.com or absmentalhealth.com. Take care and keep growing.